In occupational therapy, animal-assisted intervention, or AAI dogs, can increase student motivation, participation, body awareness, and self-regulation, while creating a fun and stimulating experience. Integrating animal-assisted therapy into occupational therapy provides students with an alternate modality of addressing specific needs that increase success in the school environment and everyday life. During sessions, the dogs, handlers, and the occupational therapist collaborate to help students build fine motor, gross motor, visual perceptual, and daily living skills. Students participating in a session with the dogs walk away feeling a sense of companionship, support, and non-judgment as they work toward achieving their goals. The dogs also provide comfort and encouragement for students as they prepare for and perform important learning and school-related activities.